This is Neil once again, and this is the second part of my tutorial on MS Publisher. We'll continue where we left off on the first part. I showed you an an introduction to MS Publisher and how to begin creating a project. Then we finished off by creating a background rectangle for our project. Okay? The next part will be making the layout of our flyer. Again, with the rectangle tool, we'll start creating sections of the flyer. Okay, click on the rectangle tool, drag it to the top part. Okay, that will be fine. Format it, fill it up with color. Let's choose an orange. The borders, we'll choose a light yellow border for it. Okay. Okay, for the other section of the flyer, again, we can use the rectangle tool. Click, click on the rectangle tool and drag it on the work area. Okay, that will be good for our address section and for our feature section. Again, we'll drag on the rectangle. Okay, we can zoom up the work area so we can see more clearly. Okay, zoom in. Centered the project on the work area. And then make the section boxes a little prettier. Right click, format, choose the color. I'm going to choose this color, gold accent. Okay, I will now show you how to make a gradient effect on the rectangle. Okay, that will be for our feature section. So we just right click on that rectangle box, select format auto shape. On the fill section, we'll choose fill effects. You can choose the default effect showed here, or we can set colors for the gradient. So I'm going to use a two color gradient. On the color one, there will be our dark gradient color. So we'll choose more colors. Select a dark gray color. Okay, just yeah. Then select OK. On color 2, this will be the lighter side of the gradient. So click on the color 2 drop down, select more colors, and choose a lighter color for the a lighter gray color. That will be fine. And then click OK. As you can see, this is how will it look like. So we just select one. That will be fine. Select this one. Then press OK. If you want to change the gradient, again, you just go to the color, fill effects, choose the color 2, get more color, lighten it up a bit, select the lighter color for it, press OK again, and then Press OK. You can finalize it. Again, press OK. Okay, that's good. For our address box, we don't need the border. So I'll just have to remove it again by formatting the rectangle, and from the line section on the color in lines tab, select no lines, press OK. Okay, then make it the rectangle smaller. Mhm. Position our feature box a little bit higher. Now we have practically made a skeleton or a wireframe of our flyer. Next, I'm going to teach you how to put in the photo elements of the flyer. Okay, click on the work area, then click on the picture frame, select picture from file, drag it onto the work area, then select the appropriate picture, select the photo, insert it. Yep. You can resize it by dragging the handle of the picture frame and make it bigger. Position it on the work area, uh, and then format it. Put some borders on it or anything you want by clicking, by right clicking on the picture frame, select format picture, again colors and lines tab, select a line color for the border, make it a bit, make the border thicker by selecting a weight, a 2 point weight, or more than a 1 point weight, and then click OK. And that's it. That is how to place graphic elements or picture elements on our flyer. For the next part of my tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put in the text content for our flyer.